Deep cleaning your memory foam mattress topper. Do's and don'ts.
Hello everyone. In today's video, we'll be talking about how to effectively deep clean your memory foam mattress topper without causing any damage. Let's dive right into the process and the do's and don'ts to keep in mind.
Can I use any cleaning chemicals?
The first thing to note is that memory foam is a delicate material. Not all cleaning chemicals are safe to use. In fact, harsh chemicals can damage your mattress topper. As a rule of thumb, it's best to avoid substances like bleach, hydrogen peroxide, and ammonia. These can degrade the foam, cause discoloration, and even create unpleasant odors.
What cleaning substances are safe to use?
There are a few safe alternatives that you can use to clean your memory foam mattress topper. Distilled white vinegar is a safe and natural cleaning agent that you can use. Dilute it with water at a ratio of 1:1, spray it lightly on stains, and allow it to sit for a few minutes before dabbing it off with a clean cloth. For a more fragrant solution, consider using a mild fabric cleaner or a mild dish soap mixed with water. Both options are safe to use on memory foam and can be effective at removing stains and odors.
What's the deep cleaning process?
The best way to deep clean your mattress topper involves a few simple steps. 1. Remove dust and debris. Start by vacuuming the mattress topper to get rid of any dust or loose debris. 2. Spot clean. Next, spot clean any visible stains using your chosen cleaning solution. 3. Air dry. It's crucial that you let your mattress topper dry thoroughly. Excess moisture can lead to mold and mildew growth, which are harmful to your health. Always air dry in a well-ventilated space, and avoid direct sunlight to prevent discoloration. 4. Deodorize. Lastly, you can deodorize your mattress topper by lightly sprinkling some baking soda over it, letting it sit for a few hours, then vacuuming it off. This can help to absorb any lingering odors. And that wraps up our guide on how to safely deep clean your memory foam mattress topper. Remember, avoid harsh chemicals and always ensure your mattress topper is fully dry before using it again. With these steps, you'll be able to keep your mattress topper fresh and long-lasting. Hope you found this video helpful, and happy cleaning!